plastic daydream. Plastic depressed.
Spastic eating.
His stuff's plastic. Disgusting. There's documentary.
Ketchup all over him.